Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sewing machines for leather that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for durability, advanced features, or affordability, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Beam Nova Leather Cobbler Sewing Machine. This heavy-duty machine is perfect for industrial-grade shoe repairs and leather crafting. Made with a durable metal frame and upgraded aluminum alloy components, it's built to last and resist rust. The tripod-style stand allows it to function as a freestanding machine, making it versatile for workshops or home use. It's user-friendly, with a well-designed turntable for smooth operation, and comes with 10 needles and nylon thread to get you started right out of the box. Performance-wise, while it's not electric, its manual operation offers precision and control for sewing intricate designs or repairing leather goods. It works efficiently with various materials, including leather, canvas, and rubber, making it a great choice for shoes, raincoats, and bags. However, its heavier build at 20 pounds limits portability compared to smaller machines. For professionals needing a reliable tool for repairing leather products, this machine is a solid option. The key pros include its sturdy construction, versatile applications, and included accessories, while the cons are its lack of an electric motor and a steeper learning curve for beginners. Overall, this is an excellent budget-friendly pick for those looking for manual precision in their leather sewing projects. At number 4, we have the Olenyer Leather Cobbler Machine, a versatile yet compact sewing machine designed for manual operation. This machine is built from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring long lifespan and high efficiency. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making it ideal for users who need portability without sacrificing functionality. Its manual drive system provides precise control, letting you pause and adjust as needed, which is particularly useful for intricate sewing tasks. The Olenyer machine is capable of handling a wide range of materials, from leather and nylon to cotton and canvas. Whether you're repairing shoes, stitching bags, or working on upholstery projects, this machine can meet your needs. However, the manual operation might be a drawback for users who prefer the speed of electric models. It's also worth noting that some assembly is required, though the process is straightforward with included instructions. Pros of this machine include its compact design, wide material compatibility, and manual precision. On the downside, it lacks an electric motor and may require a bit of setup time. Ideal for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts, the Olenyer machine is a reliable choice for small-scale leather sewing projects. Coming in at number 3 is the Goydier Portable Handheld Sewing Machine. This compact machine is a fantastic choice for industrial use, thanks to its lightweight design and powerful 190 watts motor. Weighing just 6.6 pounds, it's incredibly portable and ideal for on-site sewing tasks like sealing burlap, leather, and sandbags. The pre-installed thread and additional roll of polyester sewing thread make it ready to use straight out of the box, saving you time and effort. With a sewing speed of up to 2,000 stitches per minute, it's built for efficiency. The single-line chain stitching style ensures clean and durable seams, perfect for heavy-duty applications. However, its limited versatility in stitch options might not suit users looking for decorative or complex patterns. Additionally, its industrial focus means it's less suitable for general home projects. The Goydier's pros include portability, high-speed performance, and its suitability for industrial tasks. On the downside, it's not as versatile as traditional sewing machines, and its design may feel restrictive for intricate crafting. If you need a powerful machine for quick sewing on the go, the Goydier is a top choice. At the number 2 spot, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 Sewing Machine. As the premium option on this list, this machine offers enhanced piercing power and a strong motor, allowing you to sew through multiple layers and thick materials like leather with ease. With 110 stitch applications, including decorative, stretch, and basic stitches, it provides extensive creative possibilities. The built-in needle threader and top drop-in bobbin system make threading a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Design-wise, its full metal frame ensures stability and durability, while the LED lights illuminate your workspace for precision sewing. It's compact yet powerful, making it perfect for home users who need a professional-grade machine. The included accessory kit, featuring 6 presser feet and heavy-duty needles, adds tremendous value and versatility. The major pros include its advanced stitching options, robust build quality, and user-friendly features. The only downside is its higher price point, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a machine that combines performance, durability, and versatility for leather projects, the Singer 4452 is an excellent investment. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 sewing machine. This budget-friendly option delivers exceptional value without compromising on quality. With a sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, it's perfect for larger projects and thick materials like leather. Its enhanced piercing power and sturdy full metal frame ensure reliability and stability during operation. The 4432 features 110 stitch applications for a variety of sewing techniques, including decorative and stretch stitches. The top drop-in bobbin system, with a clear view cover, offers convenience and eliminates frustrations with jammed threads. The included accessory kit provides all the essentials, from presser feet to needles, making it a great starter machine for beginners and intermediate users alike. The Singer 4432's pros include its affordable price, high-speed performance, and durable construction. The only minor con is the absence of some premium features found in the 4452, such as the additional presser feet. Overall, this machine is the best choice for cost-conscious buyers who need a reliable leather sewing machine for home projects or crafting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.